Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so what shall we do today? Remember we in lesson 140 we drew colorful Mandelbrot set. Today is the next theme. Starting from this, in interactive Mandelbrot zoom with clicks. So we want to zoom in or zoom out using clicks on the Mandelbrot drawing. So let's do that. Start. We have to start with the Mandelbrot drawing, which we did last time, like we did in say 140. Okay, save it as 146 clickable Mandelbrot. Okay, or something like that. Okay, so what should we do? So first we need to refactor for everything for dynamic drawing because we want to redraw everything. So last time we did it just once, but we want to do redrawing. So adopt first. Maybe it's a good idea to adopt the everything to object-oriented style. Fig axis plt.subplots. Okay, so let's do that. So from here, after the scatter command, we will do these initial settings. Okay, so we will do initial settings as fig comma ax equal plt subplot. Okay, and then everything should be onto ax. So this should be rather than ax dot set aspect equal, okay? And instead of plt show is okay. So that's first thing. Then define a modular drawing function, draw Mandel, starting from center x, center y, and size ss. Okay, so we will draw Mandel function. So here is the body part. So we will make it a function, def draw, say, Mandel, and center x, center y, and size SS. And then we select here, down all the way down to, say, scatter and tab. Okay, to make it in the draw function. So here we will have CL and YL and CL, yeah, everything initialized as empty and do scattering. So instead of scattering, I draw it to AX dot scatter. Okay, that's first step. And actually, we need to one more thing. Fig dot canvas dot draw. Okay, so this will do the drawing. And then, okay, instead of, we need to do the first drawing, okay, as here, okay, draw Mandel and say center X, center Y, and SS. We will define center and center Y later, okay? So initial center and center Y should be, okay, we used this one. So maybe we will use this one here. Center X, center Y as, say, um, minus 0.7. We will make sure that everything is the same. Okay? Just like other time. And then we will change everything to draw it right. So we will change center X and center Y. So this one will be changed as, okay, um we will compute, say, the min X and min Y as center x minus ss. Okay, ss is the half of the drawing size. So mean y is center y minus ss. Okay, this will be fine. And then cx should be, instead of this, we will write mean y plus y plus sz times ss. Okay, this is good enough. Yeah, please check it yourself. This will draw everything into center x, from center x to center x plus 2 times ss, right? Okay, and then do the thing. Yeah, and also we will do this as size, as, no, 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 size SZ equals like 100, right? Let's change it to say 100. So SZ is 100, and we will change this to just starting from 0 to SZ times 2. Okay, y goes from times to from C's 2. And by the way, mean x, mean y should be set not here, but before the loop, okay? Before the double loop. So, um, okay? So before the double loop, we calculate mean y, mean x, and mean y, and then y loop sz times 2, and here we set the cx value, cy value as mean y plus y uh, divided by cz times ss. Okay? And do the same thing for cx. So we change, um, instead of minus negative cz, we start from 0 to cz times 2. And cx the same. Mean x plus y plus y divided by sz times ss. So this will map everything to the correct position. Calculate C Mandel, max n, continue, calculate color, and add to XL and YL what should be CX and CY be added to the list. And also, because we are doing CZ times 2, we don't need this line. Now, we want, yeah, before everything was in symmetrical with respect to the x-axis, but this time it's not. So we will remove it and calculate it both the upper side and downside. Okay, so be sure to change this to cx and cy. And yeah, I think this is the main part. Now, then we will have um, operations to x and clear before clear, draw, and after that fig dot canvas draw. So here, yeah, we have also. So here, okay, ax clear, and do this. Okay, we change this size to 1 instead of 0.1. Okay, now everything is almost fine. Fig center x, and also we need initial s value as say what is 1.2 is fine, I think. 1.2. Okay, let's check that everything is fine. Okay, of course we need a column here. Okay, it's fine. Do you like it? It's the same, exactly the same as before. Before going on, maybe we might want to change the background color to black. Okay, So let's get, oh yeah, here, set aspect and AX dot face, set underscore face color to say black. This will make it a little cleaner, okay? So now the thing is we need to make it clickable, okay? So implementing click event detection. So what we need is this one. If canvas matplot leave connection to Python callback function on click. So just follow me. So here, what we need is as after this, we need fig.canvas.mpl underscore connect and say button underscore press underscore event. Okay, so this will find out the press button push event, and then we call callback function on call, for example. Okay, so let's define on call function, shall we? Here, after the Mandel draw Mandel, we define a new function on call, and the parameter is event. Okay. So what shall we do here? Okay, let's see. We need global variable, center x, center y, because we will change this in the on-call function, ss. And what shall we do when the on-call function is called? That means when the somewhere on the image is clicked. So we will make that clicked position as a center position. Okay, so center x, center y will be event dot x data dot event dot y data. So this will make the clicked position as next center position. And then we will zoom in the image by dividing SS by 2, make it half. And then draw this function, okay? Draw the draw Mandel function with the new values. Okay, I think this is good enough. Okay, let's see it works. Okay, I hope it works. So this is Mandel, and when we click here, oh, good. Now we're zooming in very beautifully as we like. Okay. Now the zoom in is fine. Lastly, yeah, right. Lastly, we zoom up. Okay, zoom in is fine. And then zoom out on right click. So in this case, we want to see if the clicked button is left or right. So here we will write if event dot button is 3, then, okay, zoom out. So S will be multiplied by 2. And then else, meaning if the click is on the right button, it will be zoom in. So how do you like it? Let's run it and check. Okay, zoom in, zoom in. Okay, good, zoom out. Good, zoom out. Fine. This is what we want. Everywhere we click, we can zoom in. And if we click right, it will zoom out. Good. So I hope you like it and enjoy the clickable Mandelbrot figure. Okay? I hope you'll come back for further exploration. Bye bye.